everybody, it's me again, Karen, and this is Dorm Room Dining. And today we have a bunch of frozen burritos and some rice that all you do is microwave. And for today's lunch, we're going to do burritos and rice. So this is the brand that I have. I bought it at Walmart. And this is the other brand that I bought. I also bought this at Walmart. This has 2 servings in it. So if you were only going to do 1 serving, I would open it up, take half of it out, seal up the half that's left, and put it in the fridge. Don't forget to eat, because this is already prepared rice. Don't forget to eat it right away, maybe within a day or 2, because rice does not keep for very long. All right, so this packet just so happens to be 42 carbs per serving, and there's 2 servings, or 73 carbs for the whole package. And get what you want. I got Mexican style rice and street corn and cilantro lime because we're having burritos, but you can get them in other variations. This particular burrito, 1 serving, is 41 grams, and you air fry at 345 degrees for about 18 minutes. This will hold, this is the Elite Gourmet, and it will hold, I'm guessing, yeah, it probably could hold 2, but I would only put 1 in here at a time. It would be a little too cozy. So stick around and let's see how they do in this little air fryer. Let's get cooking. All right, so he chose 2. We're gonna see if we can get 2. I think it would be better to do 1, but we'll see if it'll even do 2. The cooking instructions say 350. 1 is for 18 minutes, 1 is for 20 minutes. So he did a good job picking 2 that are pretty close to the same cooking instructions. Go ahead. I have the air fryer all plugged in. Nope, doesn't want to open. Whoopsies. I was gonna say, can you kind of give them a little bit of space? All right, because remember, the air has to flow around it, all around it. Okay, now you're gonna want to make sure your air fryer is at 350. We'll put the drawer in and set the timer. I think it only goes all the way to 20, so you might as well just do it that far. And at the end, we'll see if it reached temperature. Can you see what the internal is supposed to be? Until the internal temperature is 165. Okay. So with everything, do not walk away from it. If you smell it, it might be cooking a little faster or possibly done. So with everything, like I said, stick around, don't walk away from it. And we'll be back in about 18 to 20 minutes. Okay, welcome back. Our air fryer just dinged, and you may have heard something else going on. We have 2 different air fryers going with 2 different lunches being cooked. So we're going to open the drawer and we're going to see if it reached the internal temperature. I did flip these over 10 minutes in. What is that?
220.
220. All right, so they are definitely done. A note on the package said to let it get to internal temperature of 165. We also noticed on the package, as we were just reading it just a second ago, that it said if you wanted to speed up the cooking process, you could put the burrito in the microwave for about a minute on high and then air fry for about 10 minutes. So just so you know, with this particular brand, which is Red's, you could do that if you don't have 20 minutes to spare. All right, so we're gonna plate this and see how it looks. Okay, we decided to cut into one of them. We didn't know which one was which. This one was the steak one, obviously. This one was the cheese one, and it came oozing out. It was hot. I couldn't hardly touch it at the moment when I cut it open. The rice is all the way cooked through too. It is piping hot. This is going to be a fantastic lunch. And I'm going to turn the plate so you can see the rice. All right, it has a little bit of tomato in there and little pieces of corn. So this is going to be fantastic, and I can't wait to eat it. And this one's actually my son, so I'm going to make some for me now. Until the next time, bon appetit. Cheers.